Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let f defined from 0 to infinity to r is continuous function such that this for all x belongs to 0 to infinity, then which of the following statements is r true? So, first we have to simplify this function. So, look at here. So, we have f of x equals 1 minus 2x plus integration from 0 to x e power x minus t f of x f of t dt. Okay, so first we have to extract who is f of x, then only we can respond. And before that we have to solve this this function for f of x. But if you'll observe, you have problem with this person. It is integration involved. So if integration is involved, we know that we have to use differentiation. So we will differentiate both the function. But look at this. Here we have to differentiate with respect to x. But look at the integration. The integration is supposed to be done with respect to t. So idea is different, correct now? So for this kind of question, you know that we guys have studied the same topic in limits, and we have studied in the definite integration how we will handle differentiation of integration. We will be using Leibniz rule. So what does that Leibniz rule says? So they are saying that if you have function in x and you have to integrate with respect to some other parameter t, then you will substitute upper limit, differentiate upper limit, minus substitute lower limit, differentiate lower limit. So we will solve this function first. So before that we should have everything in terms of t over here. So we have problem with e power x. So what we will do, we will take e power x outside. Okay, means we will divide all side by e power x. So we will be left with e power minus x f of x equals e power minus x 1 minus 2x, and then integration from 0 to x e power minus t f of t dt. Okay, now do the differentiation. So here we will apply UV rule. So the idea is keep one function as it is, differentiate other function, plus keep second function as it is, differentiate other function. So e power minus x will be differentiated as e power minus x, and then we have to put extra minus. Okay, now here also we will do the same. So we will keep e power minus x as it is. Now we will differentiate this part. So differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. Then we will keep second function as it is. We will differentiate the first function e power minus x and then extra minus, because of that minus x. Okay, now we have to do put upper limit e power minus x f of x, differentiate upper limit. So upper limit is x, so differentiation of x is 1. Now put lower limit. If you will put lower limit and you will do differentiation of lower limit, so differentiation of 0 is 0. So this is the differentiation. Now if you'll observe, you have e power minus x with all the elements. So we can take common and we can neutralize. So we will be left with f dash x minus f of x is equal to minus 2, and then minus 1 plus 2x plus f of x. Okay, so now can we keep this f of x this side on left hand side? So f dash x can be written as dy by dx minus f of x. So 2 times f of x will become 2 times y is equal to 2x minus 3. So we got our differential equation done. Now we have to solve this differential equation. So to solve this differential equation, first we will apply the idea of variable separable method. So you cannot apply the idea of variable separable method over here, because you cannot put all x together and cannot put all y together, and that too with product. Okay, then we have dy by dx equals to f of x linear function. Okay, we cannot do that either. Then we have linear by linear, we cannot apply. Then x dx plus minus y dy, we cannot do that. Then we have uh, linear differential equation. So in linear differential equation we have dy by dx plus y equals then p of x then q of x. Okay, so here you can convert your function into that part. So we have dy by dx and y, this can be treated as p of x and this can be treated as q of x. Okay, now look at this, how we will solve. So we will be writing e power minus px dx is equal to e power minus this minus 2 now, so e power px dx will become this. Then we have q of x. So who is q of x? 2 of 2x minus 3. Okay, so it is, wait a moment, so we have 2x minus 3, and then here we will be writing y. Okay, now we have to integrate. So look at this idea. So can we write y times e power minus 2x is equal to integration 2x minus 3 e power minus 2x dx. Okay, so here we have to apply integration by parts. Okay, so we will consider first function as something and second function as something. We will take help of filate. Okay, so we have algebraic function, we have exponential function. So algebraic function will be first function. So first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function and then integration of second function. Okay, now simplify this thing. So we have 2x minus 3 e power minus 2x by minus 2. First element is done. Now differentiation of this thing will become 2. So minus of 2 integration e power minus 2x by minus 2 dx. So minus and minus will become plus. This 2 gone. And then one more integration. We will be having 2x minus 3 e power minus 2x by 2 minus e power minus 2x by 2 plus integration constant c. So y times e power minus 2x. So we got this function. So first we will simplify this function. Okay, now if you'll observe, they didn't provided you any other information for x, okay, that the curve is passing through this. But look at this, if you will have integration, no, you know here it is 0. So suppose x is 0, so you know that definite integration provides us the area. So from 0 to 0, area under the curve will become 0. So this component will become 0. So I am interested in finding f of 0. So f of 0 will become 1 because this thing is 0 and this thing is 0. So the curve is passing through 0 comma 0. So this is unique question, you should keep this kind of things. So it is passing through 0 comma 1. Now replace x with 0, y with 1. So we have 1 e power 0 is 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, no, wait, we missed this minus, extra minus. So it is 3 by 2 and then we have minus 1 by 2 equals to, sorry, plus c. Okay, now, so if you'll solve it, it is 2 by 2, so it is this. So value of c becomes 0, correct? So if value of c is 0, you will observe that everywhere you have e power minus 2x. So you can multiply both sides by e power minus 2x. So you will be left with y equals 2x minus 3 by minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So this minus will go upward, this. Okay, so let's simplify things. LCM is 2. So we have minus 2x plus 3 minus 1. So it will become 1 minus x. So you have y equals 1 minus x, or f of x equals 1 minus x. So you got your function done. Now, since f of x is 1 minus x, look at the option 1. So if x is 2, so if x is 2, it is minus 1, means y is minus 1. This option is satisfying. Okay, so option A is correct. Now x is 1, so if x is 1, f of x will be 0. So option B is wrong. Now we have to find out the area under the curve from 0 to 1. F of x is ranging from this to this. So be super slow. Look at this curve. Okay, so first we will write equality. So we have y is equal to root under 1 minus x square. Okay, so can I say that it is y square equals to 1 plus x square? Sorry, 1 minus x square. So can I take x square this side? So we have x square plus y square equals to 1. You know this person. So look at this. So can I say that we have this thing? Look at this part. Now, this is the circle 0 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. Now look at this. We have to find from 0 to 1. Okay, so in the first quadrant we have to calculate. Okay, then we have root. Okay, so we have root means what? It will squeeze, that's it. So the graph will remain the same, but it will be squeezed one. Now you have to draw graph of your function f of x equals to 1 minus x. So if x is 0, y will become 1. So same point. If y is 0, x is 1, means we will have this part. Is that okay? Now look at this. So they are saying that suppose it is y less than equal to root over 1 minus x square. So suppose I am satisfying 0 comma 0. To know, we have to cover which part. So if you satisfy 0 comma 0, in place of x put 0, in place of y put 0. So it will satisfy. This means inside the circle we have to focus. That too in first quadrant, means we have to cover below that part. Okay, not outside the circle. Okay, and they are talking about after, means f of y should be bigger than f of x, means look at this, means this side they are talking about, means we have to find out the area of this part. Okay, so can I say that required area is area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So area of quadrant means what? Pi r square, r is radius, pi r square by 4. This is quadrant minus area of triangle. Half, base is what? 1, height is what? 1. So we have pi by 4 minus 2 by 4. So can I say that it is pi minus 2 by 4? Wait, this is 4, not pi. Okay, So the required area is pi minus 2 by 4. Okay, yes, option D. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.